Hi, in the last video share with you, we can write this and list down the file into the immediate window by going to this debug.print. And next is that we want to open the files and close it. So let's just go through review this file here. Right? So uh, we call us delete. So we had a file name, and as you can see that the listing file is listing the sales by. So we have this sales this file name together with the extensions, and what you do is that we call the using the books.open. We open this, supply them with the file path and the file name. So it's going to be opening the file. Now I press F8. So it's opening the file. All it does is just at this time it's just opening the file. It has data, but we're not copying yet. I just show you how to open the file and then how to close this active workbook by calling the active workbook.close. So as you can see that the file has closed, and now we going to the another file name. So you can see that it's now look at the second file and about the print. See, you can see that right here. I'll just open the files. Again, the same thing, but this is open the sales SG2, and then it loop again and it checks. Now at this point, because this loop finish all the file, this S file name is going to be just nothing. So this len is greater than 0. Is all this while loop only work if it's greater than that. Now it check is not greater than 0. It's not the file's name. The length of the file name is not greater than 0, so it's exit the loop and it's finished. And then yep, that's it. This is the part 2. So thanks for watching.